In March last year, we got the Nothing Phone 3A and Nothing Phone 3A Pro, both of which were mid-range smartphones with Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset and triple cameras. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro was also the first Nothing smartphone to feature a periscope telephoto camera. Well, it is time for the Nothing Phone 4A series. The company has officially announced that it is launching the Nothing Phone 4A series on the 5th of March, and just like last year, there will be two smartphones, the Nothing Phone 4A and Nothing Phone 4A Pro. While the company has not shared anything about the design or the specifications, today a source shared the key specifications of both the phones alongside the pricing for the European market. So in this video, let us talk about all of that. Starting with the Nothing Phone 4A, it has a 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with an adaptive refresh rate of 30Hz to 120Hz. It is worth mentioning that the Nothing Phone 3A had a full HD Plus display, so there is an increase in the display resolution this time. The phone has a triple camera setup on the back, and as per the source, this is a triple 50 megapixel setup, which should mean that all the three cameras have a 50 megapixel sensor. For comparison, the last year's Phone 3A had an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera and two 50 megapixel sensors. Moreover, this time the telephoto camera offers up to 70x digital zoom as compared to 40x on the Phone 3A. This should mean that the telephoto camera is upgraded this year, so we should see a higher optical zoom as compared to the Phone 3A. Finally, the Nothing Phone 4A has the same transparent design on the back like its predecessor, and there is a glyph bar on the back which is made up of 63 mini LEDs. Now, while the source did not confirm the chipset, a recent Geekbench listing of the Nothing Phone 4A revealed the Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 chipset, which seems like a good upgrade over the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 last year. And finally, we are not expecting an increase in the battery capacity, as many sources claim that there is a 5000 mAh battery like last year. There is also the same 50-watt wired charging support like last year. Coming to the Nothing Phone 4A Pro, it has a bigger 6.83-inch 1.5K AMOLED display, and the refresh rate goes up to 144Hz. The phone has an aluminum build, and there is a glyph matrix on the back, which is something we have seen on the Nothing Phone 3. The phone has a 50 megapixel Sony sensor for the primary camera, and the telephoto camera now offers up to 140x digital zoom. For comparison, the last year's Nothing Phone 3A Pro offered 60x digital zoom. Nothing has already confirmed that at least one of its phones launching in March will have UFS 3.1 storage. So it is safe to say that the Phone 4A Pro has UFS 3.1 storage as compared to UFS 2.2 last year. The Nothing Phone 4A is launching in 4 color options, including black, white, pink, and blue. The Phone 4A Pro is launching in 3 color options, including black, pink, and silver. Finally, let us talk about the pricing. The Nothing Phone 4A is launching at a starting price of €389 for Germany and Spain, and €409 for France, Belgium, and Italy. This is the price of the 8GB plus 256GB variant. There is also a 12GB plus 256GB variant which costs €40 more. The Phone 4A Pro comes with a starting price of €479 for Germany and Spain, and €499 for France, Belgium, and Italy. This is the price for the 8GB plus 128GB variant, and there is also a 12GB plus 256GB variant which costs €70 more. So yeah, the prices have increased versus the last year's Phone 3A series, at least in the European market. We do not know the design yet, and as we know, the design is one thing that is always unique when it comes to Nothing phones. So it would be quite interesting to see what these two phones look like. Anyways, what are your opinions on the specifications and the pricing? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.